called a nail biter just because it turns you over like this on your side. But it ain't nothing.
Hey, that's stuff like that. He had her flooded back. Did it die or was that you? Huh? Was that you or did it just die?
Yeah. My weber's never done that. I let off, so it would.
My weber's never done that.
Got a new red line in the house on that. Be on there short.
I thought that's what was on there.
That was me.
Go back and try it again.
That ain't happening.
Yeah, get up there in that good stuff. That new dirt. Watch it. You're heading back this way now. You just have to go turn around. We know.
That was a ponytail.
shit, dude, you alright?
What'd you do? Laying on a tree?
Thorn bush.
Why does it smell like propane right here?
Huh?
Why does it smell like propane?
Is it broke? Just look for him. I didn't laugh that hard. Look at one though. He got a face full of tree. That's a butt plug.
It's like I can drive.
Bad deal. You alright?
Hey, is the propane even on? Hey, Matt, turn the propane on!
That's gonna be sore in the morning.
Hot tub tonight.
Hey, what's that?